ArcGIS Field Maps is an all-in-one app that uses data-driven maps to help mobile workers perform data collection, locate assets, and report their real-time location. Workers record their location in field maps using location tracking, a capability within ArcGIS Online and ArcGIS Enterprise. Let's learn about location tracking in field maps and how you can enable tracking for your workflow. Location tracking allows you to record where mobile workers are and where they have been. When tracking is turned on, a breadcrumb trail of tracks is recorded as mobile workers go about their day. Location tracking can be applied to a variety of workflows. For example, tracking can help you monitor special events by providing you with the real-time location of your event personnel. This can help ensure safety and provide quick response times during large-scale events. Tracking also allows you to provide proof of work and verify on-site inspections completed by your team by recording the time and location of your team and their inspection records. Finally, with tracking in field maps, you can better determine area coverage during events like an invasive species removal or a search and rescue mission. Before you begin tracking your location, you first need to make sure you have access to the location tracking capability. To access location tracking in field maps, you must have an ArcGIS Tracker license, and tracking must be enabled for your organization. The ArcGIS Tracker license is included in the Field Worker user type and is available as an add-on for all other user types. If you are the administrator of your ArcGIS organization, you can also enable location tracking for your members. Once you are set up with location tracking services, you can now turn tracking on and start reporting your real-time location in the app. To start tracking, sign into the Field Maps mobile app using your ArcGIS Online or ArcGIS Enterprise account. Tap the My Tracks map card toggle button in the Maps list to turn location tracking on. Next, tap while using the app when prompted to allow Field Maps access to your location. Then, tap OK when prompted to allow Field Maps access to your physical activity. If you don't allow Field Maps access to your location or physical activity, it can't record your location. Next, the tracking duration menu will pop up, and here you can choose how long tracking is turned on. Once the chosen tracking duration ends, location tracking will automatically turn off on your device. Next, tap the My Tracks map card to open the map. The map will open and your location will appear on the map. With tracking now turned on, the Field Maps mobile app will record your location. Walk around and go about your work, and your path will be recorded. In addition to the My Tracks map card, you can turn location tracking on in the following ways. First, by tapping the GPS banner and tapping the Track My Location toggle button to set the tracking duration. You can also use Google Assistant or an Apple Watch to turn location tracking on and off. Tracking can also be turned on via an iOS quick action or using a Field Maps link. Once you are done recording your location, toggle tracking off from the My Tracks map card. If you set a tracking duration, tracking will automatically turn off once the duration has ended. After you record your tracks, you can view them in the Field Maps mobile app and access them from any map in Field Maps. This is helpful for mobile workers who want to check the ground they've covered during a work session. Tracks appear as a layer that can be turned on and off. To view your tracks, tap the Layers menu and then turn on My Tracks. If you don't want to see all of your tracks, use the Display Options setting to choose the time frame you want to display. To do this, tap Options under the My Tracks layer to open the Display Options menu. The time frame you select applies to viewing tracks in Field Maps, as well as any other mobile apps on the same device. You can also view more specific information about your tracks. Tap a track to view information at that point. Depending on the information your device collected, you may see the date and time the track was collected, the type of activity you were doing, your speed of travel when it was collected, and the accuracy and coordinates of the location. Administrators can use the Track Viewer web app to create track views so that supervisors and other people with appropriate permissions can view tracks of workers. Track views include a last known location layer, so you can view the locations of mobile workers and improve operational awareness. Track views also include a line and point layer, so you can view where workers have been. You can export tracks and use the analysis tools in ArcGIS to discover patterns in movement. This was an introduction to location tracking in field maps, and there is so much more to learn. To learn more about field maps, visit the Field Maps resources page. Also, check out the Track Mobile Workers Help topic to learn more about how you can start recording your location in field maps.